Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is 2018, which means brand new year, fresh starts. You know, you revamp some things in your life, start some new things. So that is what I'm doing personally. And today we are going to do a chit chat. And seeing how I've never done one of these before, it's going to be everywhere. And I mean everywhere because I get to rambling and then my mind starts going all over the place. So excuse me if I jump from subject to subject and I may repeat some things, okay? So don't mind me, okay? I'm gonna get into it because I want to talk more on my channel a little more than what I do. So yeah, right? But anyways, yeah, and also get a little look. And you want to see how I got this look, remember to keep watching. Hit the subscribe button, comment, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next look. So for primer, I start off with the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser, and I really like this. And I use the Fenty Face Primer, No Filter, whatever it's called. This feels like lotion, like it feels really good. I like it a lot. And I did try the Fenty foundation, but it wasn't my color. So I have yet to find my color yet. I don't know. But I can't find my exact color for any shade or any brand, so I don't know. But I do like it though. Like that foundation primer is really good. And this Maybelline primer, I just put it mainly on my cheeks and then spread around the rest of my face. I used about probably 2 pumps of the Fenty primer. I don't know why I use so much of it, but I do. Okay, and for foundation, I'm still using my Maybelline Matte Fit Me Poreless in 330, and I mixed it in with the Revlon ColorStay in the color Toast to get semi my shade. Like, I don't know if I'm colorblind or they just don't have my shade, but I have the hardest time. It's either too orange or too yellow or too light. Like, it's never just there unless I just can't see. I don't know. And lately, like for the past month or two, I have been using these Real Technique face brushes. They're called I don't know what they call, but it's the foundation brush. They have like an all over brush. It's like a bigger version of this. They have a small ones. These are great. I use this just about it every time. Like, I have completely stopped using my beauty blender for my foundation now, but this thing is just amazing. It goes on so quick without having to do all that blending and stuff and patting around your face. Just do that, and it gives you such a smooth finish. I love these.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna be.
And for brows, I'm still using my Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Chocolate, but as you guys know, I put my foundation on first and I'm gonna do my brows next. I learned that it is a lot easier for me anyway, because you know, usually when you do your brows first, you have to conceal the top and the bottom, what I do anyway. But then you have like that highlight above your brow, and it doesn't really mix in with your foundation. So yeah, I figured out a way to correct it. And I just take some powder to pack over my brows so it won't be so slippery, since I did just put foundation on.
but nobody cannot approach me. Cause I'm looking like glass and it's looking like trash. Can't get with a can't be that. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time, and no. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride.
So now I can really talk. I'm doing my brows. I have to just concentrate. But for 2018, I really want to kind of revamp my entire channel. Like, I want to get better lighting, get some more backgrounds. And I also want to kind of hear from you guys too. Because I really don't know what type of videos you want to see. Because I just kind of sit down and just be doing stuff, and half of my looks I have no idea how I get them. It just kind of do their own thing. They just happen to turn out cute sometimes, okay? So yeah. And then what else? As far as myself go, I just want to travel more and build my brand. As you guys know, I started my own lash line. I had been wanting to do that for about 2 years now, but I just never knew. And I finally, well, I didn't figure it out. But as far as negativity go, I did that probably like 2 years ago. Like, I got all of the negative people out of my life, the negative energy, and I just been good ever since then. Like, I'm one of the people, I go off people vibes. Like, I feel people energy from far away. Like, if I don't know you, and you just walk up to me, I feel your energy. And if I don't like it, I stay away. Yeah. And then, you know, with some people too, it's like when you're doing good for yourself and you're trying to change for the better, people start looking at you differently. They start treating you a certain way. It's me, people like that, well, they're just not meant to be in your life. So I have no problem with that. I kind of figured that out early. Like, for New Year's, I went out or whatever, hung out with my best friend's family. And I am really burnt out on partying. Like, I had one drink and it was just it for me. Like, I'm not really a loud person and stuff like that. I was when I was younger. But I think I did all my partying and I'm just over it now. Like, I literally be at home minding my own business. I barely go out. And when I do go out, it's like, okay, time to go back home. I don't know, I'm just very picky about who I surround myself with, which I think everybody should be. So yeah. And I'm just using the, what's this? The Sacha Buttercup powder with the Airspun. I mix them in together because one is, the Sacha Buttercup is too yellow for me, and that Airspun is too white, so I just mix them in. Okay, and the contour, I'm just using the BH Cosmetics Studio Contour Palette as usual. I don't know. I do want to kind of get out of my comfort zone though and meet new people. But again, I don't like leaving the house. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. Like, it don't even have to be that we live in the same city or anything. Like, I just want to meet new people. Because I'm from St. Louis and people here, they're just very, I don't know a word for it, but
from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride. Trying to holler at my car and you're walking. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you live at home with your mama. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty but you don't show love. Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Wanna give a man with no money? Oh no, I don't wanna know. So known as a buster. Slips on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time, no. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Okay, and this is another one of them Real Technique brushes. This one is a shadow brush. I guess it's for your eyeshadow to blend it, but I don't really trust that process, so I just use it to contour my nails. But it's like I was saying, I didn't really make any New Year's resolutions. I never do, because I'm one of them people, I don't like to plan things, because when I do, it fails every time. So I'm just like one of them go with the flow people, and if I just happen to think of something, you know, I try to commit to it. But I don't know. Like, I'm not really quiet. I just, again, I'm just picky about who I talk to, that's all. No matter who I let in my life. Like, my life is very private. So, it's a lot of things, unless you just ask me, you happen to run into me one day, you never know. Like, you would never see my entire life all over my channel. I kind of think that's unnecessary. But some people like they do. So, it's just not for me. Okay, so I'm going to use the Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm going to take the colors Flux and Toast. Yeah.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. he's kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like glass and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time, and no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. The scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger.
Okay, so I applied my lashes and I used Bestie from my lash line, Lashed by Key, and I will put that in the description box below, so you know, go check it out. Get you some lashes, $9.99 and free shipping, very affordable and huge. Yeah. And I have 4 other styles too. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my face with the Milani Make It Last. I need to get some more because I'm running out, but this stuff is really, really good. Okay. Okay, and for highlight, I'm going to use Aina's Art Couture and Le Peach. And this is my new favorite highlighter, even though I just got it 2 days ago. This is bomb, so you're going to see this a lot, okay? I'm going to try not to go overboard on highlighters this year, because last year I bought so many highlighters. It's ridiculous. I probably have a highlighter in every color almost. That's how many I bought.
Oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you live at home with your mama, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty but you don't show love, oh yes, son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money? Oh no, I don't want no. School's so known as a buster.